Okay, if I posted these at my website, Google Sladkey, it's the first hit if you'd like. These are all borrowed or stolen from colleagues, thanks colleagues, and from conferences and all that. First, greet your students, each student, personally every day. Maybe outside the door, somehow, eye to eye, greet them. It creates a positive interaction from you and the student, and it's done wonders. Give your fidgety students something to do, you know? Koosh ball, rubber band hand strengtheners, pipe cleaners, kneadable erasers, rubber bands, whatever you want. Get them busy. After a tough class, be thankful and be grateful for 5 things and name them to yourself. It changed my teaching last year. I had a very, very tough class and it changed me. Reverse your questions. What's the sum of -2 and -3? Well, the reverse, what are 2 numbers that add to be -5? It opens up a huge door. For instance, equations. If you have an equation, the answer is 2, well, give me a different equation that has an answer of 2. There's infinite possibilities. All those strong learners are really going after it. Think about your students at a time outside of class. Use your seating chart. I think of this as praying for my students, but you can think about them. I think it makes a huge difference for me. Answer questions in a variety of ways. You ever answered your students, but slower? Okay, we do that. Or louder. It doesn't work. So we need to change our mode of communication. Maybe have a manipulative or a graph, a diagram. Change it up instead of just saying the same thing over again. Play classical music during your assessments. It helps the fidgety learners. It drowns out the sniffles. I always ask my students if they mind if I do this, and it's been a terrific thing. Select your students at random. Get some note cards. Pick them out. This creates engagement for your students. It levels the playing field. It creates accountability as well. Pipe cleaners. Math teachers, this is a great thing. Just did it last week with sine waves. Move the pipe cleaner over and see where it lines up again. It was just a terrific exercise. It helps my kinesthetic learners. Incorporate energetic brain breaks into your classroom. Every half hour, give them a brain break, have them move, cross the midline, helps them to refocus. Flip video camera has been terrific in my class. Just assign a pair of students a problem, have them record each other, explain the problem, not their face, just the problem, doing it. Post the recordings on the internet or just watch them in class. The depth that the students get into that problem is far more than just a regular problem. It's been great. Try this one. Have your roll around chair, instead of answering questions with you leaning over them, get down on their level. Get side to side with them. Answer them that way. Get a circular stand-up desk, teacher's desk. You can see how collaborative this atmosphere is. It invites students to come up and ask you questions instead of you being behind your square or rectangular desk. Get a triangle desk. We've just got these in our new renovation. They're terrific. They work great with groups of 4. You can see it helps them work together in a great way. Pause. This is a great way to get the attention of your students. And it could be at the very beginning, or it could be at the end. It could be in the middle. Lastly, show your passion for your teaching. They love to see you excited about your subject and especially math.